Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Cryptocurrency markets entered 2026 with modest gains, but the reality behind the recovery is far less encouraging. Bitcoin rose approximately 1% to near $89,433, while Ethereum gained roughly 1% around $3,044. The moves follow a devastating fourth quarter that contradicted every major bullish forecast. Bitcoin declined 23% since October 1st, marking its worst fourth quarter in 7 years. Expected catalysts that were supposed to drive year-end gains completely failed to materialize. Digital asset treasuries attempting to replicate Michael Saylor's strategy model initially promised a structural buying flywheel, but faced investor exodus as prices fell. Many now trade below net asset value, eliminating their ability to issue new shares for cryptocurrency purchases. Instead of buying, they're becoming forced sellers. Altcoin ETFs also disappointed. Despite Solana ETFs gathering $900 million and XRP exceeding $1 billion in net inflows, underlying token prices declined sharply. Solana fell 35% since its ETF debut in late October, while XRP dropped nearly 20%. The pain extended to spot Bitcoin ETFs, which lost a record $4.57 billion during November and December 2025, their worst two-month performance since launching in January 2024. This surpassed the previous record outflow of $4.32 billion set in February and March 2025. Bitcoin's price dropped 20% during this period, reflecting declining institutional appetite. MicroStrategy shares experienced unprecedented weakness, declining 49.35% over 2025 and entering a 6-month consecutive losing streak from July through December. This marks the first such streak since the company adopted Bitcoin as a treasury asset in August 2020. On the regulatory front, major developments continue to reshape the landscape. Turkmenistan officially legalized cryptocurrency mining and exchanges effective January 1st under strict government supervision. Only licensed and approved companies can conduct crypto mining and operate exchanges, with unlicensed operations remaining illegal. Franklin Templeton, a $1.6 trillion asset manager, announced a significant strategic investment in XRP through its newly launched spot XRP ETF, which began trading on NYSE Arca in November. The firm has accumulated approximately $242 million in inflows, with holdings exceeding 100 million XRP. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin emphasized that Ethereum must focus on achieving its original mission as a world computer rather than chasing short-term trends. He introduced the walkaway test as a core benchmark, where systems should continue functioning even if original developers disappear. Security concerns emerged as blockchain investigator ZachXBT reported a coordinated wallet-draining attack affecting over 100 EVM chain users, with attackers stealing approximately $107,000 using small amounts per wallet to avoid detection. Analyst Henrik Zayberg presents a strongly bearish outlook, warning Bitcoin may be approaching a major peak with potential crashes of 97 to 98% from eventual highs to technical targets of $3,000 to $4,000. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.